In every episode of NewsDepth, we ask you to send us letters answering questions we ask. It's one of our favorite parts of every show because we get to see your wonderful writing skills and we learn about you and what you're thinking about. In the first episode this year, we asked how you spent your summer, and one of you sent us a response that was A+ award worthy. This week's winner is Lexi, a 4th grader from Mason Elementary in Mason. Lexi's letter told us that over the summer, me and my friend played at the creek by my house and we noticed that there was trash in the creek. So we decided to clean up all the trash. We were really impressed with not only Lexi's motivation, but also her efforts to make the earth a cleaner place. When we met with Lexi, she told us that she and her friend Madi like to play near the creek in the woods behind her home. They made it a pretty cozy place to hang out and look at critters including fish, crawdads, and tadpoles. As they got busy with schoolwork last year and the weather got colder, they couldn't spend as much time in their relaxing space in nature. When they finally got back to their spot this summer, they noticed that there was a lot of litter in the creek and all over the ground. That's when they got to work and started clearing it up. Lexi told us that Maddie and her found all kinds of trash and they made sure to wear gloves to protect their hands when they were cleaning. She said that she felt really happy about helping the environment and that if everyone does their small part, we can all work together to solve big problems. Talk about wisdom. Outside of taking care of the earth, Lexi enjoys dancing and told us that her favorite styles are hip hop, ballet, and acro, which she described as being similar to gymnastics. She told us that she doesn't have a favorite class because she likes all of them. Lexi's hero is Marie Curie, who was a scientist that made groundbreaking discoveries in the treatment of cancer because her work helped millions of people. Mrs. Work, Lexi's teacher, told us that Lexi is a role model for her classmates and is very kind and patient. She described Lexi as a committed student who sees things through even when they're hard. This week's A+ award goes to Lexi at Mason Elementary School for doing her small part to make the world a better and cleaner place.